Welcome to the channel, Exp0se. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now after Usian Bolt exposed SSL for the billions that have gone missing, he's now again exposing the system, stating that the money that has gone missing will not be paid back. Bolt says this is money that was set aside for use at a later date, basically a retirement fund. And now Andre Stevens is exposing that the billions that have gone missing was taken by the system, and this is what it was used for. Now, I'm going to hear what I will contain the reason. Look and listen.
Andrew and Nigel Clark should have said something about Usain Bolt funds. And the Usain Bolt funds alone, them need to talk about Chantel. Them need to talk about legislation. You know, Baby Sham, come to class tonight. We're going to talk. Baby Sham, the man cannot say anything because here is the truth, Jamaica. The whole of them money that we're going missing, fund the Jamaica Labour Party. The whole of them money that we're going missing, fund not for the seat them when man are MP and them are do favors for them money behind closed door. So you have to understand why such man and such man can't talk. So Sham, when you talk, I'm going to give you the facts for talk. Jamaica, when you come to the class here, you know, it can't be Chantel. 10 million US and only 2,000 US left. Jesus God. Lord, all for me, Chantel, me know me in a coma. Can't me would have string up a 121, I string up a UC, I don't a KPH. Muna must walk naked. Imagine you take up your life savings. 10 million US are how much, Chantel? Mighty God.
Wicked man. Wickedness.
All of them. So it can't, Chantel, over. Me say something to you. I'm going to say this to you. I'm going to show them tonight. I'm going to show them something where they never even look into. I'm going to show them and ask them, when and when, Lord Jesus, when I taught this tonight, what a bangarang in Jamaica. Not for them not learn, not for them not go history class, you know.
Yeah.
Not for them not go history class, but them are going to learn tonight. Hello? Baby Sham. Tell Baby Sham come to class tonight for me now. Baby Sham, I like how the whole on will talk up, but I want you to come to class and understand the process of governance. Me hear them attack, you know. But them not understand the process, so me got to educate them on it. When Nigel Clark I go say about Usain Bolt missing money. What Andrew can say about Usain Bolt missing money when the whole of them part of the system? Una go hear I talk tonight. Tell Baby Sham. Tell Baby Sham. Una go call Baby Sham and tell him to come on my YouTube tonight. The whole of them, yes, Chantel. Me glad say them a talk out, you know, but me want them talk out effectively. Yeah. Me want them talk out with the understanding and the reasoning ability.
Clearly, Bolt is upset and frustrated. The investigation taking place at SSL had been going on before Bolt discovered that his funds was also tampered with. Bolt was essentially the person who brought the story to the media, exposing what took place at the investment company. And what it turned out to be was a $1 billion scheme. Now Bolt is again bringing it to the media, stating that the funds might not be paid back. This will definitely have an effect on investment. If people see from a point of view that if a celebrity like Sir Bolt can be investing with an investment company and then can take all our millions, and remember, as stated, and our Bolt money alone, other millionaires, other wealthy investors, other regular individuals, and now celebrities are intervening on behalf of Bolt and others, saying that the government might need to step in. Some would say it's convenient for whenever the government has something dealing with. If them need Bolt to show up, Bolt to show up. Now in a scenario like this. Now it's look at the international media. Sprinting legend invest in his own country. Only for find out so the money from him investments are now gone. And the investment company is saying that only one employee them are looking to. See, I tell me say one employee take $1 billion and still at the place of work. Now tell the truth. Somebody working at a company take $1 billion. Not a million. $1 billion. Yeah, a Jamaican, but $1 billion. And still the other place here work. Till them could have catch on upon them. And I say them. This doesn't sound like a one person operation. If this individual did take $1 billion, would I expect him to be somewhere in Europe by now? Forget all of the regular places the people that think for go. Somewhere Europe far. And next thing we notice is that while the media might highlight dialing and the type of fraudulent activity we see take place in a rural Jamaica, what Usian Bolt is exposing is that these type of activities are also happening at established entities, established investment companies. This not look good. Are we Jamaica's economy, or it is now? One of the only ways that the economy can continue to develop and thrive is through investment. I can't show nothing else. And truth be told, most Jamaicans don't even know the basic objective of an investment company. You give money to them, the investment company find lucrative things to invest in, them invest in it, the millions forward in back, you get your piece based on your investment. And clearly we can see where it take place in Jamaica. Other than car centers, we can count the investment we see take place. The place still need basic infrastructure. You have places where still need road, running water, and electricity. If these are not basic things we can invest in to bring the country forward, when I see what them places are seek for investing. Because clearly we have seen little to no investment in agriculture, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. So much so that even in Canada, majority of the people work in the farming industry. Too much people them need. Them have to ask countries to help them out. And when they hear about farm workers, when farm workers are in overseas countries, but we don't see the investment in agriculture locally. We don't know though, but would you see about I say, him not feel like the money are gonna be paid back. And we will heap other people I say, no, they must have give up Bolt him money and this and that. Then if Bolt, who is the actual investor, the actual multimillionaire, and he must say this, a fee money, him one of the individuals. And a fee money alone, but him one of the individuals. And he must say him not feel like him and the people must get back their money. And must somebody tell him. We must say Bolt is an individual, you have financial advisors, you have attorneys. Bolt is a business owner. Recently we see Bolt construct an apartment complex. We know him probably partner with a construction firm or something. But Bolt is a business person. Bolt is not just a sprinting legend. Bolt is an entrepreneur. A well-known in certain entrepreneurial circles. I never done regular person upon the road him see and ask and say, yo, you feel like the money go forward back? Bolt never just ask anybody this. Bolt actually talk to people involved in a finance. And that is why I say. Now, truth be told, all the financial banking system states is that either deposits or investments, not about investments, but it clearly states deposits under 1.5 million are covered by law. That's a law. But since there's a cap on it, I say 1.5. If a 5 million or 10 million, we are talking about something else. Clearly that's our bolt point. Because of how much millions, the amount of millions were gone, he not feel like he might get back all of the money. Or probably even a significant percentage of it. You must say a bolt, we're not talking about no 10 million. A Sir Bolt, another 5 million, another 6 million. A whole heap of millions. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, as I pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.